Hello everyone, welcome to Archana's Teaching Up. UGC NET JRF June 2026 notification finally out now. And yes, the application form are officially live. If you are preparing for UGC NET JRF, this video is extremely important for you because in this video I will cover application dates, exam dates, complete form details, fees, important instructions and mistakes you must avoid. So watch this video till the end. This will be your complete guide for UGC NET June 2026 form filling. So, as per the official public notice released by NTA, means National Testing Agency, UGC NET June 2026 exam will be conducted for 85 subjects. Mode of exam will be computer based test, means online. This exam is conducted for Junior Research Fellowship, means JRF, Assistant Professor Eligibility, PhD admission. Important dates. Let's quickly understand all the important dates. Note this carefully. Application start date 29 April 2026. Last date to apply 20 May 2026 till 11:50 pm. Last date for a fee payment 20 May 2026. Correction window 2020 May to 24 May 2026. Exam city intimation by 10 June. Admit card released by 15 June. Exam dates 22 June to 30 June. Answer key and response sheet will be released later. Important, don't wait for last date. Server issue happen every time. Now application fees. Now let's talk about fees. General and unreserved 1150, OBC NCL EWS 600, SC ST PWD third gender 325. Payment mode debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI. Now how to apply, step by step guidance. Now the most important part, how to fill the form correctly. Step 1, visit official website ugcnet.nta.nic.in. Step 2, click on apply online. Step 3, register your set, new registration. Enter basic details, create password. Step 4, fill application form, personal details, educational qualification, subject selection is very important. Step 5, upload documents, photo, signature, category certificate if applicable. Step 6, pay the fee. Step 7, download confirmation page. Always take a printout of confirmation page. Common mistakes to avoid. Many students make mistakes here, don't repeat them. Wrong subject selection, spelling mistakes in a name, wrong category selection, uploading unclear photo signature, not checking form before final submission. Use correction window wisely 22 to 24 May. Now listen carefully, this is important for your preparation. You have around 1 to 2 months before exam. Focus on PYQs last 10 years. Important topics revise, mock test, time management. Don't start new topics now, focus on revision plus practice. Remember, these attempts can be your GRF attempt. Consistency plus smart study, success. So friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Archana's Teaching Up. And comment below, ready for a NET JRF 2026. See you in the next video. Thank you.